Logic and Binary here at LB Dexter, at T-Got to my right, because that's what we do now. He's no longer over there, now he's over there, and we're hoping I can do this right-handed from now on. But anyways, I have my PlayStation, and I'm really excited because we have today charging stand with cooling fan for PS5 DE UHD. What does DE stand for? It says DE. Is that like a defensive end or? Oh, look, in the previous video, he's sitting there on TikTok while we're recording. On this video, he's over there staring at the roof and not. This is Logic and Binary. If you've missed it, this is kind of what we do. This is the handy dandy Sinu pocket knife. Available, not available at Amazon, but still available to look at on Amazon. Click the link below. We open it up. See, it even cut tape that's not there. Wow. Made the tape vanish. So they packaged it upside down, negative points. And now the boxes go that away. Okay, so we have a little charging stand here. USB plug-in, I'm assuming this goes to the back. A little cutout there for fitness, I believe. I don't mean like running fitness, I mean like so it fits. The fit. T-Got's breakfast for tomorrow. Charging stand with, no, he's not gonna eat it. He's gonna read it during his breakfast. Designed for PS5 Digital Edition and Ultra HD game console. It says here, designed for Digital Edition. Oh, look. Just amazing. Genius. Let's go ahead and try this. Give me a screwdriver. Oh, did you forget I had to remove the platform? Since again, this is the later edition model, not the new one. This is actually a flathead versus a finger screw. Now, I know I haven't put this together, but I honestly thought this would be towards the rear. It kind of makes sense to hide the cable, right? It'd be kind of cool to hide the cable and not have it in the front. For the people at Kiwi Smart, it might be smart to just in the back, you know, hide the power cables. But I'm judging before I do this, so just please don't send a hitman out for me, please. So right off the bat, I'm noticing a situation here. The cable comes up, the USB is on top, the USB-C is on the bottom. So we're gonna demonstrate here, and as you can see, you kind of, look, I had to go around it, you know, and just boom. You know, it's not a big deal, but I mean, you got two USB ports in the back. You got them right there, and right there. Why not use them? You know, and I get it, you've got the other cables here, but there's nothing stopping you from putting it off to the side, right? To the side and then just coming over and connecting here. Then again, it to be honest, it still doesn't look bad in the front. It's okay. The cable kind of hides because it's black. All right, so we've got the power plugged in. We've got the unit plugged in. And then of course, ASMR. And I'm doing a horrible job today. I should have pointed all of this stuff out before I plugged it in, but it's already in there. We do have an indicator light. It just says indicator right here. I don't know if you can read that, but it says indicator right there. And then you've got a couple USB-A ports. These are called USB-A ports, right? I just call them USB ports and all. You got the try it 3-time port right here. You know, you gotta, yeah, everybody knows what I'm talking about. T-Got and I were talking about how we would prefer that it takes up the USB versus the USB-C. Well, now it doesn't matter. If you got 3 extra ports down here, does it really matter? Not really. So that'd be something to consider, to go straight into the USB-C versus that one, versus the A, because you have 3 more A's over here and or add a C over here, right? I don't understand why you would need 3 if you got your C's over here. That little button right there. On and off switch for the fan. We're gonna go ahead and try to plug in these controllers here. Now, I would assume that they go this way so you could see the controller, right? But they don't. They actually go the opposite way, this way, so you can see the back of the controller. Is it charging? I honestly don't know. I can't tell. Oh, we have an indicator light, all right? Well, let's see if it goes in there. Yep. So you see the indicator light comes on, turn red, but then it turns blue. What does that mean? I don't know. But this entails another small issue. You can't really see what's going on. Your controller's there, but you can't really see what's going on. But before I judge too harshly, let me actually look at it myself, how I would be looking at it at my home. No. It's not aesthetically pleasing, to be honest. I think it needs to be showcased a little more. All right. Well, you can hear the fan going. Sounds like a small PS4. We've got a surprise to see how well this works. So T-Guy got this genius idea to go ahead and use our previously reviewed smoker to see where exactly does the air travel while your PlayStation is attempting to cool itself, and how much of a difference this would make. So we're gonna give it a try. And for that, we need Cameron Smoker wood chips, okay? Mesquite flavored, mesquite scent, however you wanna, you know, whatever tickles your fancy there. Available on Amazon, click the link below. And why not, let's bust out the handy dandy Sinu pocket knife. Wah! Oh, this looks interesting. So we put a little speckle in here. I don't know what a speckle is, but hey, is this gonna damage my PlayStation? It's T-Got. I guess I can trust him. Once again, T-Got is forgetting one crucial piece of the puzzle here. Ah, it clicked. I didn't have to tell him. I'm gonna rub some sticks together right now and see if it'll work, but okay, maybe I'm forgetting something too. What do we need this for? Oh, you want it out because I was gonna plug it in. No, that's not what I was talking about. Yeah, big blue. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait. Okay, so air is supposed to come in through here and out through the sides. Yeah, it sure is. Look, it's really pouring out. You see that? Dude, it's coming out from the bottom. Yeah, look, the bottom. Let's try it again. Let's get a little bit more mesquite. Yeah, this is interesting. You know what? Try killing the lights. Kill them both, see what happens. You guys are along for the ride. This is it. We're not even gonna edit this. This is gonna come out this way. You ready? Yeah, I can see it from here. It's, yeah, you can see it. You can see it on the front camera. You can can definitely see it on the front camera. So you see that? This one shoots out from there. This one shoots out from the front. That's pretty crazy. Cooling. It's so cool. You want me to try it on this or what? So essentially what it does here, it's taking the heat from the PlayStation, sucking it down, shooting it out to the sides. Probably not your best method. Heat rises. I don't know how that affects the whole dynamics. I'm not a cooling engineer or anything like that. I do know that heat rises versus sitting on the floor. And maybe that's why the fans are actually like pulling that down. There are no vents in the bottom of the PS5. But it does seem to have excellent ventilation, even with the PlayStation in there. You can feel the air coming out of the sides. It's gonna be very difficult for me to sit here and say how good or bad this system actually is, because you'd actually have to play it. So it's my understanding that they have pretty decent cooling anyway, so you shouldn't really have issues or problems. But I can't believe that this would hurt it in any which way, shape, or form. The only complaints is, again, this cord in the front versus being in the back. The controller's facing inwards instead of facing outwards. Other than that, it seems pretty cool. It would eliminate the need for a base. It's pretty sturdy, so that would eliminate the need for the actual base here that we have. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed that. It was pretty interesting using the smoker to see where the air, actually how the air circulated. We didn't get the best shots that we thought we were gonna get, but hey, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click on the links. Yes, like, subscribe, comment, play the video in the background. I don't care. If you don't like it anyways. Give us some love. Show us some love. Click on the links. It really does help. And then check out, if you're looking for a cooling system, check it out on Amazon. And then let us know how it works. If you have one, you have any comments on this, let us know how it works. I don't like saying subscribe, like, all that. You guys know what you have to do. Just, you know, do it. Logic and Binary. We're out.
Yeah, hey, we